Meantime, Health and Human Services workers in San Francisco were laid off today. They were among the 10,000 HHS workers nationwide who were dismissed as part of the Trump administration's ongoing slashing of the federal workforce. KRON 4's Dan Kerman reports.
I've been with the agency 25 years. Most of my colleagues have been with the agency 5 years or more. Many have been with the agency decades.
The agency is the U.S. Department of Health and Human Services. And Tuesday, some 10,000 employees across the country, including those working at San Francisco's Nancy Pelosi Federal Building, were informed their services were no longer needed.
We're committed to serving the most vulnerable children and families in our communities, public health, and we have all been released from service.
What this means is a great reduction in access to health care.
House Speaker Emerita Nancy Pelosi says she and her Democratic colleagues will fight this decision, which she says will harm the most vulnerable communities and make America sicker.
They're going to turn 10 regions into 5. And what that means across the country is disgraceful. They should be ashamed of themselves. This is reckless. And you know what the recklessness springs from? Their ineptitude. They don't even know what they're doing.
The San Francisco HHS office currently serves millions of Americans, not just in California, but also Nevada, Arizona, Hawaii, and American Samoa, as well as more than 150 Native American tribes.
Scientists are being let go, grants are being defunded. Now we have measles outbreaks where there were none before due to vaccine hesitancy and stuff like that.
KRON 4 News caught up with Michael Charbonneau during the KRON 4 Morning News. He's worked for the federal government for 40 years and says these layoffs will surely be felt.
You know, HHS and particularly the health services were instrumental in trying to get the message out to the public of, hey, you can save yourselves, you can save your children. And now with bird flu coming, measles outbreaks, I think we're going to have a lot of people die needlessly, honestly.
Among the 10,000 HHS layoffs are 3,500 jobs at the FDA, 2,400 jobs at the CDC, and 1,200 jobs at the National Institutes of Health. In the newsroom, Dan Kerman, KRON 4 News.